Okay, I think we are live now. I hope so. I will get started with our closing. So thank you so much, everyone who has been here since the kickoff, or if you're just joining us, welcome. But it is the end of our first day. Not to worry, this is a 3-day conference. So yeah, that concludes our first day of Ascension 2021, hosted by SEDS-Canada. Again, if you missed the opening, SEDS-Canada is a student-run organization that is looking to provide opportunities for students across the country to learn more about the Canadian space industry. So that concludes day one. We can go into the next slide. My name is Twinkle Mehta. I am the events chair for SEDS-Canada, and I'll hand it off to Daniil at this point.
Thanks, Twinkle. So my name is Daniil Lissus. I'm one of the directors at large for SEDS-Canada. And yeah, just to very quickly recap what happened today, as Twinkle mentioned, it's the end of our first of 3 days, and we had a very exciting keynote presented by Vinita, who is the founder of Rocket Women and is also currently the project manager and business development lead at Mission Control Space Services. So we were very thankful to have Vinita open up our conference, and it was a really great and inspiring keynote. So next, we just had it wrap up, but we had the 360-degree view of the Canadian space industry panel, where we had a number of different professionals from different parts of the industry give us their take on the Canadian industry, and as well as where it's headed and kind of what students should be focusing on.
Awesome. And so there's a lot more coming your way. So tomorrow, day 2, we have 7 exciting talks planned where you will be able to learn about topics ranging from astrostatistics to self-replicating robots. So lots of really cool stuff. We also have our 3-minute thesis competition where you can learn about research being done by graduate students. And we also have our Expo showcase where you will have the opportunity to network with industry partners, student groups as well, and other Canadian space organizations.
Yeah, and to kick the day off tomorrow, we're going to start with our opening keynote, who will be Tahir Merali, who's the Chief Operating Officer at 4Pi Lab, as well as the founder and director of Zenith Canada. So make sure you stay tuned for the end of that keynote for a very special announcement of a potential new partnership that SEDS-Canada will be undertaking with Zenith.
Cool. And we also, like I mentioned, the Expo showcase. So that is an awesome opportunity. If you didn't have the chance today to click on that Expo tab on the left side of your screen, we do have a dedicated period of time where there will likely be more people at these booths to talk to you about their different teams or industry partners. So we have over 20 booths, which is awesome. And the dedicated time will be tomorrow from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. So don't miss out. It'll be really, really cool to network and also just learn about, all of these awesome projects happening across Canada.
Yeah, for sure. So we're looking at a very exciting day, and we've mentioned it. We'll mention it again. We are super thankful to all of our sponsors for making this happen and making this possible. So first off, thank you to our gold sponsor, the University of Toronto Institute for Aerospace Studies, or UTIAS. As well as to our 2 silver sponsors, GHGSat and Supercluster. So you'll actually get a chance to hear from both of our silver sponsors tomorrow at the closing keynote as well. So make sure to stay tuned for that.
And the day is not just quite over. We have our day 1 after hours social starting in 6 minutes at 8:15 p.m. Eastern time. And you can join us. We will be calling on Zoom. And this is sponsored by UTIAS, or the University of Toronto's Institute for Aerospace Studies. We have provided a Zoom ID there. I'm hoping someone on the SEDS side can send the actual link to Zoom. So feel free to hop in. We will be playing Scribble.io. If any of you have ever played that before, it's a fun, maybe therapeutic drawing game. So definitely, come if you're looking for an opportunity just to casually, socialize in a more laid back fashion. But yeah, we'll see you there. And that concludes day 1. Thank you so much. And we will see you tomorrow bright and early.
Yeah. Thanks very much, everyone. Take care.
Thanks, everyone.